so something is locked up here. I think it's really dragging. All right, we're gonna pull this alternator off so we can get it to the shop. We're also gonna pull the intake off so we can take a gander there at the turbo. Cool. All right, turbo shaft spins very freely. I don't see any marks on the inside where the wheel has been hitting the housing, and very little play side to side. That's fine as long as there's no in and out play, and there is no in and out play at all. It's very clean in there too. I was quite surprised. Wow, look at that. That's insane. Just gunked up totally. There would have been no flow through that at all. Good thing we had not, so since we had this engine running, we have not had a working water pump since we had the belt off. But that is just, I can't believe that. Well, we're gonna have to, this whole thing's gonna have to be flushed out. That's crazy. Wow. All right, so it's 10 millimeter for the top two bolts on here, and then 14 millimeter for the bottom. And lots of PB Blaster, or whatever your favorite is to use. Or 9/16 on the bottom, that works a lot better. So the only cheater bar we have is a pipe, or a PVC pipe, so we're gonna use that. There we go. Much. All right, remember, the one with the lip goes up here at the top right. The one with the washer goes down at the bottom. All right, these are 7 millimeter on the back of the alternator. there she is, ready to go off to get rebuilt. All right, this may get a little wet. Let's see. I'm gonna move you over to that side because otherwise this water out of the thermostat housing will blow right at you if it does anything. There's a lightning siren. Looks like it's gonna rain, but who knows? That's the last thing we need right now. All right, here's the thermostat. Now the next trick is getting it out of here. Probably needed to be changed anyway. Take a look at the inside of this. Look at all this just crap. Gross. Gonna get all that clean. All right, that's much better. Now we can clear out the block. So let's do that. All right, so while we're right here, I made the executive decision to just go ahead and pull this water pump too, because if the water pump is bad, you know, who knows how long it's been sitting, and we run it and we do need it, we have to pull everything back off, and it'd be a lot harder to get to with the alternator on. So with everything just dismantled like it is, we're going to go ahead and pull it, and because it's just 2 bolts, it's easy. I'm going to get you down there and show you. Alright, so here's our water pump right here. So this bolt, and then that bolt down there, and that's it. Just slides right up. Easy does it. Alright, so for this one we're going to use a 1/2 inch. Came out a lot easier than I thought. I thought I was going to have to use my extension, but I think I will for the bottom one though. Fish it out. Now we're going to use our extension with our socket on it and just thread it out by hand. I say that. See how much of a pain this would be if you still had that alternator in here? With the water pump, is I'm not, and the thermostat, I'm not going to O'Reilly's. I'm going to get a genuine Cummins one. That's the only ones I trust, to be honest. A lot of people have had problems with, you know, any thermostats or water pumps on a Cummins that were bought from a regular old parts store. So either get it from your Dodge place that can get Cummins, or go straight to Cummins itself. Go. There it is. not too bad, but does have quite a bit of gunk all over it. So while we're here, might as well replace it. And one thing I do like about Cummins, what they did with just about everything in the cooling system, is it's all O-rings everywhere. There's really no gaskets that make to the surface. While you're down here, clean everything up because it's dirty, because you can normally never get to any of this. All right, y'all, we're gonna end this video right here. Thank y'all so much for watching. We're gonna go ahead and get the new water pump in, the new thermostat, and get that alternator rebuilt. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you're not gonna wanna miss the next video when we put everything back together and drive this truck a little more. Thank y'all all so much for watching. Please hit that like button if you liked it, and we'll see y'all next time.